Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open Google Drive in Windows 11. So firstly guys, open any web browser. So open any web browser and type Google Drive. Now here is the option Cloud Storage for Work and Home Google Drive. So open it. Click on Go to Drive. If you logged in, so it will ask this option Go to Drive, and if you need, so sign in process complete. Enter your Gmail and password. And another way to open Google Drive, once you logged in, you will see some dots. Click on it, and here the icon for Google Drive. Open it. That's it. So this too easy way you can open Google Drive in Google Drive in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.